वेलकम बैक टू पाइथन अनलॉक्ड। आज से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एक्सप्लोर करना डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ऑपरेशंस दैट वी कैन अप्लाई ऑन अ स्ट्रिंग। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So we'll be starting with basic string operations, and that we are having concatenation, replication, or you can say repetition, and length. So let's discuss this one by one. Firstly, concatenation. As name says, concatenate. What we are doing over here in concatenation, we are combining two strings together. So which operator will be using for combining two strings together? That is plus. So plus is basically an operator that will combine two strings together. Okay, take a simple example. I am having any, let's say, string that is hello. I'm having other string world. I want to combine both the strings together by keeping space in between. So what I'll be doing, I'll be creating one string in which I'll be putting space, and I'll be combining all three strings together. To make this more easier for you, simply let's understand this what we are doing in this. जैसे मेरे पास कोई वेरिएबल है a, उसमें मेरे पास एक स्ट्रिंग है let's say that is ab. मेरे पास एक और वेरिएबल है let's say b, and that I am having one more string that is let's say cd. अब मेरे को आउटपुट में क्या चाहिए? मेरे को आउटपुट में चाहिए a b cd without space. So what I'll be doing for this, for getting this output, let's say ये मेरा sample input है, this is my sample output. So how I'll be able to end up with this output? Simply मेरे को क्या करना है, मेरे को a and b दोनों को combine करना है using a plus b. I'll be using concatenate operator for combining both the strings together. Simply, which operator I'll be using? I'll be simply using plus symbol, plus operator for combining two strings together. I hope this is clear. So concatenation is basically what? For combining strings together. I can concatenate n number of strings together. Okay. Then is replication, or simply if I want to repeat certain string n time. For example, I want to print AB 10 times. One thing I can do like AB, AB, AB. That is a time consuming process. So what I can simply do, I am looking for AB 10 times. I will simply multiply what? I'll be having string, let's say AB. I want to print this 10 times. I don't want to write this manually 10 times. What I'll be doing? A multiply 10. Now this particular multiply is simply a replication operator that will replicate the string 10 times. Or let's say if the question says you are having a string, you want to repeat that string to n number of times, the n is basically the value entered by user. So instead of mentioning 10 over here, what I'll be mentioning n. So n is a value that will be entered by user. I hope this is clear. Next we are having length. Now, if I want to find out how many characters are a part of my string, how many elements are a part of my string, simply, let's say I want to count how many values are present in this. So what I'll be doing? Length, for which I want to find length, I'll want to find length for a, means whatever value that is stored in a variable, I want to find length for that. So I'll be using len length function. Inside the braces I'll be putting name of variable, or either I'll be putting string over here, the collection over here. I hope this is clear. The basic idea is clear. Let's understand this in a better way with the help of code. So firstly we are having a concatenation operation. For example, I am having a, in that I am printing, let's say, Python. I am having one more variable, let's say, in that I am assigning the value unlocked. Now मेरे को combine करना है Python unlocked को. कैसे combine करेंगे? Print a plus b. Now a plus b is responsible for combining both the strings together. Let's see the output. So you can see over here, both the strings are getting combined. Now what I want space in between Python space, then I want unlocked. So what I'll be doing, instead of simply liking a plus b, a plus, in between this I'll be taking one empty string, in that I'll be putting space. Now this output This is basically what? I am creating one more string over here. Basically, the space I am putting in one string and I am over here, I am concatenating three strings together. Okay. So whatever as we know, put in double quotes, that is a string. And what we are doing, we are concatenating three strings together over here. This is a Python, this is space string, and this is a unlocked string. I hope this is clear. Now, this is a way when user is providing the input manually. What if user is providing, you are taking the output at runtime from user? How that will be getting combined? Simply as we know how we take the input from user in form of string, input, let's say enter string 1, okay, other, let's say b also I want to take string from user, enter string 2, let's run this. Let's say my string first is ab, other one is cd. Now what I am combining, I am combining a, in between I am again creating one string that is having a space in it, then I am assigning b. This is what I am getting. This is my string 1, this is my string 1. In between I am creating one more string that is having space in between, and after this I am adding b in that. I hope this is clear. How to concatenate a value if we are taking value from user as well, and how to, if we are providing the value in a code itself, how to concatenate the value. I hope this is clear. Now, next operation that we are having is a replication and repetition operation, we can say. Let's say I am having one string that is Python unlocked. I want to print the string 10 times. One thing is what? If I want to write it manually, I'll be writing this 10 times in a same string, which is a time consuming process, because if let's say if the count I'm increasing to 100, that will take ample amount of time for doing that. So what I'm simply doing, let's say I am simply adding 10 over here, and let's run this. So you can see we are getting 10 times Python unlocked as our output. If I want to increase count to 100, that I can also do whatever value I'll be putting, that much count I'll be getting as my output. You can see over here. Okay, let me clean my screen. I hope this is clear. But let's say I want to take input from user and I want to multiply that string n time. The n is a value that will be entered by user. So how to do that? So simply let's say I'm having variable a. I'll be taking string from user. Let's say, yeah, I'm taking string from user. Then remember this, the n value will be what? N value needs to be integer value. Now, how to take integer value as input? Input, enter number. And we know by default this will be a string. So we're supposed to add int over here. And now print a multiply b. That means what? I want to multiply string a that I'll be taking from user b number of time. Okay, means the b is a value that user will be entering, and I want to multiply my string that number of time. Let's say user is entering string Python, and the value for number I am entering, let's say 80. So you can see over here, user is able to print the value entered by user, the string entered by user n number of time. So the number is over here 80. I hope this is clear. How we supposed to take a string from user and how to multiply string n number of time the value of n is entered by user over here. Okay, so n, we are not using n, we are using b. Variable can be anything, it can be, let's say, it can be anything. Okay, it will not make any impact. Variable is simply a name in which we are storing a value. Let's say I am having can see over here. I hope this is clear. Repetition operation is clear. Next we are having, Length operation to find out the length of a string. Let's say I am having a string Python unlocked, and for this I want to find out the length. Simply print. Function is nothing but length. In braces I supposed to find out for which provide I supposed to for which I want to find out the length. So you can see over here the length is 14 over here. Remember, if there is a space in between, that is also considered as a one element. So the length will be 15 now, as you can see. Now, the same way if I want to find out the length for the value that is entered by user, string that is entered by user, simply print. So this will be what? You can see. I hope this is clear. So concatenation is for combining two strings together. Repetition for repeating a string n number of times. Whereas length is for finding out the length of a string. I hope all these three operations are clear for you. In case you are having any doubt, do put in comment section below. Thanks for watching.